Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Snoozer Lookout 1 car seat for your dog. So I actually own this already in a size medium and I wanted to size down to a small because Emma is only about 13 pounds and the small says it's best for dogs that are up to 18 pounds and the size she currently has, which is the medium, goes up to 25 pounds. So I feel like the small is probably going to be the best size for her. So let's go ahead and open this up. I did want to say this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this on my own and I purchased the medium size on my own as well. So I love this car seat just from owning it for over a year. I think, let's see, Emma is 2, so we bought that shortly after we got her. So it's been almost 2 years since we've had this car seat and I highly recommend it. I love it. You can find them on Amazon and I will leave shopping links down below for you guys so you can shop this item as well. They are just so easy to use, very safe, very comfortable. I've just been so impressed with it that I just wanted to share a review with you guys because I love it so much. So I cannot wait to see if the small is the right size for her though. Ooh, I love this color. Emma, I think this is gonna be perfect for you. She's over here on the floor. So there is my receipt. One of the great things about the Snoozer is that it actually does come with the seatbelt harness slip that you need. So as you can see, this is the small. It fills up the entirety of the box. It's not very heavy at all. Squeeze this out of the box. It fits in here like a glove, so. All right, so this is the size small, so much better of a size for my car. I do own a minivan, so I have the space. It's just that I feel like this is gonna be a better fit next to me because I like to have Emma in the front seat next to me most of the time. She's over here. I don't know if you can see her, but she's very excited. Do you wanna try this out? Do we wanna see how you fit in it? Okay. But this is the gray Lookout 1 car seat in a small, and I will show you guys these side by side too so you can see the difference in size and see what size is best for your pet. But I really like this gray color. It is almost a silver pale gray, and in the pictures online you can't really tell. Same with the khaki. It looks a little bit more green online. This is definitely more of a pale tan. And then this is a pale gray, and I really like this one. So let's go ahead and see how Emma fits in it. And I'm gonna just go ahead and sit it up here and see what she decides to do. Do you wanna get in? You do? Come on. Do you want help? Go. Oh, there you go. That is a good size for you. What do you think of that? Do you like it? Oh, you do? Oh, look at that. That is a good size for you, isn't it? You have just enough turnaround space and you can lean. Look, you're already leaning like you do in the other one. This is the perfect size for you. So as you can see, she has plenty of space. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up and show you guys the amount of space that she has. She is 13 pounds. She is a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. So if that helps you guys make your choice as far as if a small is gonna work for your pup, I'd say definitely for a dog this size. So let's go ahead and show you guys these side by side. Okay, you guys, so on the left is the medium and on the right is the small. As you can see, Emma has a ton of space in the medium, which is great if you want your dog to have a little bit of extra space, but technically she doesn't need that. So Emma, come here. Get into this one. Good girl. Good girl. Can you sit down? Oh, so cozy. As you can see, she is very happy in the smaller size. I feel like she thinks she's just a little cozier. It's just a little bit more to her size. And overall, I think she's happier. She actually laid right down in this one versus the other one she just kind of wanted to sit in. So let's go ahead and move into the car and I will show you guys how to install the Lookout 1. Okay, you guys, you may not be able to see my face. But this is how this seat is going to fit in my car. It's a lot better than it was because the other one was so much bigger, but as you can see, it fits perfectly in my passenger seat of my minivan. For reference, I drive a Chrysler Pacifica Pinnacle, so if you have something similar, this is gonna fit perfect, but also the medium fits great as well. This one just fits a lot better. So normally I would install this from the other side of the car, but I'm in the driver's seat so you guys can see the best you can. I have the hardware here that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that first. I call it hardware, but it's literally just the strap to hook onto your dog's harness, and it looks like this. It has plenty of slack here, so you can tighten it or loosen it however much you need. With Emma, she tends to want to try and jump out the window if she sees somebody that she just has to meet. So I try to keep it on a little bit of a tighter amount, but this loops just around the seatbelt strap after you secure it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my seatbelt, and hopefully I don't fall while I try to do this. And you're going to thread it through this part right here. And you're just going to come over on the other side and you're going to click it into place. Normally what I like to do is I like to pull this all the way down until it starts ratcheting. And I also push down and pull so that I get a tighter fit. And I just make sure that this strap goes behind the seat. So push a little bit more and try to get as much like tautness as I can here. Now that I have it installed, let's move in a little bit closer so you guys can see how to attach this piece. So with this strap right here, which is very taut because I did the ratcheting system, you're going to take your buckle, unbuckle it, loop it around underneath like that, rebuckle it. You can adjust it to however tight you need it. All right, so this is how I'm gonna have it. And this way you can have this much slack, this attaches to your dog's harness, and they stay put. You don't have to worry about them jumping out of the car, jumping into your lap. And if you ever, God forbid, get into a car accident, your dog will not be launched anywhere in the car. So let's go ahead and get Emma and see how she likes this. Okay, you guys, I have Emma here, and she has her harness on. Hopefully you guys can see okay. Can you sit down? Good girl. And she is wearing her new Cavalology harness that matches the Sherpa. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Let's go ahead and go on a little ride, huh, Emma? Hi, you're a good girl. All right, so we're gonna let Emma out, and all I have to do is unhook her from right here on the back, and that's it. Easy peasy. I hope you guys enjoyed my review and found it helpful and fun. Hopefully this will help you if you're trying to decide between the medium or the small. Emma honestly loves both, and so do I. They're great car seats, safe, comfortable. I love them, so I highly recommend them. If you guys want to shop Snoozer pet products, I will leave a link down below for you, and you can shop on Amazon. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!